Welcome to the Dog Advisory Council, a trusted resource for dog owners and enthusiasts. Today we will be talking about if you should feed your dog before or after a walk. Whenever it comes to food and exercise, the general rule is to make sure that you separate his meals from his walks by at least 30 minutes, though 1 to 2 hours is preferred. If you walk and feed directly one after the other, he's going to have trouble digesting, as well as possibly fatal complications. Vets and experts agree that you can walk your dog either before or after a meal. Both have risks and benefits to them, both of which you'll want to factor in when making your decision. As with anything related to your dog's overall health, you can always check with a vet and ask for their professional opinion too. The main benefits of taking your dog for his daily walk before he eats include the following. Restore organs. Reverses digestive issues. Weight loss. Your dog's organs need time to restore and ramp up to speed to work properly. When you walk him before he eats, this is what happens. As his heart rate jumps up, blood circulation improves, and this gives his organs time to, essentially, push out the junk and better themselves. Think of a walk as a cleanse for his organs. If your dog is a little on the chubby side, then this is also great for weight loss. As your dog works out, he burns energy. Since he hasn't eaten anything that he can burn, he needs to burn his fat instead. This will help his fat burn off gradually and safely. You can also take your dog for a walk after he eats too, if you aren't really interested in going out before his main meal. Its perks include fueled to enjoy his walk, better digestion and circulation, weight control. Since your pooch has now had his delicious meal and is feeling great as it starts to digest, he can easily feel energized and excited to take on his walk with energy. He'll be able to enjoy his walk mentally and emotionally, but also physically, too. For those active families who want to go for a long walk or something more strenuous, this is great. As he's already eaten and his food is starting to digest, his digestion and circulation are going to be improved. This can help his metabolism and digestive tract keep working as it should, and this will be better for his overall health short and long term. Think of the walk as a hiatus for the dog's digestive tract. This helps it recharge to digest part 2 when he gets home. Also, if your dog is a healthy weight, this will help him stay healthy. He won't gain weight or lose weight, and it is a prime part of keeping your dog in perfect health. As with anything, there are risks to be aware of when it comes to eating both before and after a meal. In these cases, this refers to taking your dog for a walk before the 30-minute window, of course, so that you can understand why that window is there in the first place. Risks include stomach pain, vomiting, bloat, gastric dilatation volvulus, or GDV for short. Stomach pain, of course, is because he's got a tummy full of kibble, and he's trying to run, jump, investigate, roll in the grass, and more. There's only so much the stomach can handle before it gets sore. Vomiting is another common problem. As your dog runs and bounds and generally enjoys life, his stomach's contents are sloshing around, and if they get agitated enough, they'll come back up, and he'll vomit. A dog's stomach can also extend into bloat. While we use the term bloat to describe things like lactose intolerance or eating too much and puffing up like a balloon, in dogs, this is a serious issue. It can create a problem with the sphincter that connects the stomach and the esophagus if it happens enough. This can often lead to GSV, which is where the stomach twists itself into a pretzel, basically, and it cuts off circulation as well as access. In large dog breeds, this can actually be fatal very quickly. The most likely scenario is that he will require surgery to manually fix his stomach, but oftentimes this only improves survival by about 30%, so it's important to really watch that clock when you are going to take him out for his walk after his meal. However, there are risks to taking him for his daily walk before his meal too. This include low mood and energy, lightheaded and lethargic, weight gain. Because he's hungry, he won't really be moving around a lot, and he often won't enjoy his walk because he's got some serious hunger pangs going on. In some cases, if he's really hungry, he may even get lightheaded and lethargic as he tries to bound around like normal, only to find he just doesn't have the energy. Weight gain can sometimes happen as a result because, as you likely guessed, he just isn't putting his effort into the walk, and he won't be able to get the same exercise benefits. This can be challenging for those that are trying to keep his weight consistent or even get his weight down. If you want to learn more about the risks and the benefits of feeding your dog before or after a walk, click the link in the description below. If the information in this video was useful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe.